We'll try it again.
So we parked way out on the Kokomo. The night was young and the moon was low. So we both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way I felt? I couldn't
Oh.
find the safety belt.
We definitely have low fuel pressure.
On my Caliber. Still trying to get her belt to loose. All the way home I had to cry.
No revage.
For the safety belt that wouldn't budge. Cruising and playing the radio.
Go, you piece of shit. Oh, it's no good. Oh. Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Idle, sort of. We're walking. That radio never turns off. Fuck, it's a long walk back, you piece of shit. Now I gotta get the other car. Another kilometer to go. And no beer. What have we here? A wooden lady. Shit to find you on the way back at Dave's farm. Screw the speed limits. Shoot the bastard. Still walking. Still walking. Uh-oh, a fork in the road. What do you do when you come to the fork in the road in the middle of life? Do you go right to the beach, or do you go left to my car in the forest? Goodbye, beach. The killing field where shitty Chevys die. Well, I got the frame off my Blazer. It's right there. I can crush these beasts this weekend, since GMC sucks so bad for a 4x4. Don't they, Doug? Here's a blown 2.8. Checked out the timing chain, it was fine. Motor's locked up. Still got a good 4x4 drivetrain. I'll make something out of this, real interesting. We're crossing the point of no return. There's the machine gun tower. You don't want to know what we do to trespassers. I can tell you it's not on YouTube. I think I lost a part of my car. Oh, we're back. And there's no beer. Well, that car sure left a dead spot. Rescued by Nissan. There you are. You're going back even if it's powered by Nissan. One way or another. Wrong way. Well, you made it, you piece of shit. You're not a piece of shit. You work wonderful. Well, Cressida, you're not out to pasture yet. I'll get you going this weekend.